Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos, creative videos on data analytics. Every student want to become a data analytics, so why not trace more on data analytics. My first video of DuckDB was simply displaying bar chart, but this time I am trying little in different manner. So this video is about bar chart but in different style, in data analysis style. So first of all we will go through the program. Now here importing required libraries needed for the program. This part is very important. I need to install this part by pip install. This library I need to install for pictorial representation of the bar chart in this one, and this is data. Remember that normally in database we execute query, and the search function means we say that if you want to calculate the average salary of specific column. So here in normal database the average function goes in search for every rows and every columns, every rows for output. But here the things are different in DuckDB. That's why it is mostly used in companies and multinational companies. Here the data is converted into data frame. Data is converted into data frame. We will see it. This is the data, may be considered as CSV file, and here it is converted into data frame, and we can see here create table as student as select from df. So here data frame is taken. This part is of connection, this part is of connection to the DuckDB database, in memory database. Then this part is to execute the query, and this part average marks. This so since we need to perform the complex query operation, that's why we use DuckDB. So this is the very important part. Now here fetch chdf, this part is very important. It converts into result set into data frame, providing convenient and familiar structure for further data manipulation and analysis. Now here we perform bx bar chart. So in bars today we are going to see bar chart in different manner. In x-axis we need student name, and y-axis we need average marks, and list of tables are student name, student, and average marks. Now I will execute the program. I think we need to close the connection after operation, because we need to close the database connection. We normally do that. Now I will execute the program. Yes, a bar chart has been displayed in really different style. So we can see here average marks. Charlie is little bit good, Alice is little bit less than Charlie, then Evie, Bob, and David. So this is the speciality of Python, and this is the speciality of DuckDB. We can see here if I scroll on this, I get average marks of Alice, I get average marks this and this. Okay, fine. So I successfully done with DuckDB in data analytics, in representation graph in really different manner. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back with more and more creative videos on data analytics in data analytics in DuckDB using Python, if possible machine learning, if possible Streamlit, if possible natural language processing, and many more. So for latest update about DuckDB, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. I got a lot of response on multi employees working in companies that why not trace on this topic. So I decided to trace topic. So I decided to open this topic second time, second video of DuckDB. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative. Thanks for watching.